Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use face unlock, fingerprint, and also app lock on Vivo phones. So if you want to protect your Vivo phone from snoopers, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up face unlock, fingerprint unlock, and even lock individual apps all using your built-in settings. So the first one is a face unlock. So to set it up, you can just go to the settings and find the security options, this one, and in here you'll see the face option. So you can just tap on the face option to set the face unlock. But first, since I'm using pattern as my locks screen, so I need to draw my pattern to continue. Okay, so in here what you need to do is just follow the prompts to register your face. Make sure you are in good lighting, and once done you can choose when to use it. You can see this is the like the explanation for best result. You can use the bright lighting in here, and you can use the face unlock to unlock phone, unlock apps, or app inscriptions. And next, if you want to use a fingerprint unlock, again you still can go to settings, security, and this is the fingerprint options. So you guys can see I already set up my fingerprint, and I have 3 fingerprint set up on my phone. And also you can use this one to unlocking the phone, authorizing app lock, and secure payments if supported. You can even add multiple fingerprints if you use different fingers like I do here. I have 3 and I can still add more. And if you want to protect private apps like maybe WhatsApp, Instagram, or gallery, you can also do the app lock if your device support it. You can choose the apps you want to lock and then use either face unlock, fingerprint, or a custom pin to access them. So app lock is perfect if someone borrows your phone and you want to keep certain apps private. If you want extra security, you can also turn on the hide app icons to make apps invisible, and you can use private save to lock files and photos inside a secure folder. Both are under the privacy settings. And that's how you lock down your Vivo phone like a pro. Try it out and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more tips and mobile hacks. Bye!